Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, we are going to discuss how to do compass calibration. So without delaying much, let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to tell you how do compass calibration get disturbed or why do we need to fix it. So compass calibration works by detecting the magnetic field intensity of Earth. However, due to strong interference from some electronic devices in our nearby areas like transformers and all, compass sensor may get wrong idea about the magnetic poles of Earth and can point in wrong direction. So in order to fix it, all you need to do is to follow 3 steps. Open Google Map in your phone, click on the compass icon, and then you have to move your phone in an air in a way that it makes an infinity shape, or you can say it makes a shape of number 8. So first I have mentioned all the 3 steps and points, and now I'm gonna demonstrate it through video. So I've opened Google Map, and now I've clicked on compass, and now I'm moving it in a shape of infinity in the air. We have to do it 3 times. Once you do it 3 times, the process is done and the compass calibration is fixed. I hope you found the video helpful and it solved your problem. To know more about technology related stuffs like coding, Android tips and tricks, web development and all, visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. You will get to know about many more stuffs like this and will remain updated in the terms and technological aspect. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.